Today we learn how to bulk import in inventory stock. First of all, go to inventory app, then go to operation and inventory adjustment, and you can see there are two stock, warehouse stock in on hand quantity 50 and 50. So let's do. First of all, we need to product item name and location name and what is the quantity that I manually set. So first of all, we will go product and products, then here is the pivot list view and select them, action, export. Now I want to update the data and just export and open it. There is a two name, so I will copy this and I have a template. Paste the product name here, that is product ID. So I'll paste it, and which location that I want to look WS/stock location and inventory quantity 50 and 50. So 50. Okay, now you can go the operation and inventory adjustment. Now you will see the favorite button. Click on this and import records. Now upload the file. This is my file. Select, open. Now the location is WS stock, product ID is product name, and inventory quantity is 50. So import this, import, and you can see there are two line is imported. So you can set is apply. So I will press the apply, then that is also apply. Now you will see there are this quantity is updated. So there is another row that was created, but when I refresh it, it will remove. Now that one hand quantity previous 50 and now it will 50 adjustment and now it show 100. If you want to more video, please like, share and comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.